Hey guys, welcome back to another video with me, Fat Hippo. Today I am playing a new game called Dangerous Space Flight. This is the first time I've ever played it, so let's get to it. So I'm pressing W to go up, and I guess I use A and D to move side to side. Oh, I crashed. Oh, this is depressing music. Hey. I don't want more than 3 people. No, why did I pick up 4? They give me too much weight. Go away. No, I don't want you. I don't want. No. Alright, let's see. Welcome to Dangerous Space Flight. Okay. How do I run out of fuel so fast? Yes! I get plus 20, so I have to. They'll pay 20 debt until they die. Nice! What? What? Give me that moon, boy. Say, give me that moon. Ah, I crashed. Oh! I'm so sorry. Oh yeah. Guess what I can buy if I can pull it up. Insurance policy. What does it do? It'll cover 70% of your loss in case of it. Nice. Let's do it. Do it. To the moon. No. 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 Ah. No more of this nonsense. Caught it. Con is sent to the moon. They'll pay. That is a big number. What is right here? What is that number? To the moon. Oh. Oh. Oh no. I killed 2 more people. No more crying, you wimps. Hey, where's my moon? Oh, there it is. Duh. Stop crying. Stop crying. You're gonna make me cry. What? That was weird. Here we go. Here we go. It's mine. Yeah, boys. No, no, no. Don't you dare. Don't you dare. Oh. Why? I love them. Look at all these dudes. See, we got 8, 9, 10 people. Let's go. Oh, that didn't work. No, 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 no. Oh my god! Guys, guess what else I can buy? Small fuel tank. Do 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 do. This is the worst small fuel tank in the world. It doesn't even get me off the ground. 10 people died last night. In a row. Do 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 do. Hey! What happened to my... No. No. What happened to my small fuel tank? And we go like yeet. Oh yeah, boys! Let me collect some 10 more people. Here we go. Here we go. Got you on just right. Now. It took too long, but I made it. No, 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 no. That's it. Why? They were such good people. But that's okay because I got $18. 10 passengers. Alright, here we go. Until they die. That's a long time to be paying taxes. Here we go. Nope, I was too late. Or was I? Oh my god. Why? They were such good people. I got that dollars. No, 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 no. Why? Why? Oh, hey. Hey, wow. Wow, you want to be my friend? Ah! Alright, guys, I don't know if I taught you this yet, but you can add friends. Wow. 604. No. 60242 079. Add friend. There. Now you got a friend. Accept friend invite. Go, go, go. Do, do, do. Ah! No more crying music. Nope. Alright, so we'll buy that and that. There. Now we're safe. So, we no longer have to pay 30%. Right, no, we no longer have to pay 70%. And we get plus 50 fuel. Dude, you're about to fall. You suck. Stink. No, 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 no! Yes! No! No sad music, no! 8 people died last night. God bless their souls. Sup? This is how we go, like yeet! Plus 7. Oh my god! He killed 10 more people. That's okay, I do it every day. I have a lot of money. Let's use it. Boop, boop. How much does this cost? 5,000? Alright, I got that money. I got that money with me. Why can't I fly? Yes! Why isn't it working? Come on. Come on. Why do you take so long? I did it! I did it, guys. Alright, we're gonna line up with him. Do your... Whoa! I don't want him to die. Got him. No, 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 no! It's gonna happen again! Oh! Oh, oh God. I just fell off my chair. I need a sip of water. Hey, where'd Val go? I'm angry. Hey guys, what's up? Wait, you guys are the same people? There's two of the same people? What? Am I hallucinating, guys, or are these two guys the same people? Oh my God, it's WoW! Juicy Pickle is now playing Brains.io. Not even this game. Did you do it? Alright, guys. Oh man. How does Oj have the most money out of all of us? No, WoW. WoW died. Okay. Got him. Oh, that guy dropped a lot of people. When you try your best, but you don't succeed. Yeah. No, WoW. WoW, be careful, WoW. My turn. Yes, plus 20. Oh my God, he died. This is depressing. Well, this was a fascinating game, to be honest with you. But I think I did have fun playing this game. So, thank you guys for watching once again. I know you guys are an amazing audience. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video. And of course, I'm always open to suggestions in the comments below. You know. Oh man, oh man, oh man, oh man, oh man. So, yes, thank you for watching, and I'll see you all in the next video. Actually, I won't see you.